How to password protect files and folders in Windows. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to password protect files and folders in Windows. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, using the search bar you need to type in File Explorer and open the File Explorer. Now you need to simply locate the file or folder that you want to password protect. Suppose if this is the file that I want to password protect, you have to right click on the file or folder and then select properties. Now a new menu box appears where in the general tab you need to select advanced option at bottom right corner of the screen. Now you have to select encrypt contents to secure data and now you have to click on the OK button. Once you have done that, click on OK button again and you have to choose encrypt the file only and click on OK button. Now you need to see that there is the lock like icon on this particular file. This means this file has been password protected. Now for it is the same for the folder as well. You can right click it and then you need to choose properties. Now you have to choose advanced option and then click on encrypt contents to secure data and click on OK button. Again you have to click OK and then you need to click on apply changes to this folder only and click on OK button. And there is again a lock like icon on this folder. That means we have successfully password protected files and folders in Windows. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.